how to get someone interested in talking to you.
Okay.
If you find this weird, hold on. Has it ever happened to you that someone's narrating a story, the same kind of story, and two different people, two different reactions from you? So someone's narrating and my reaction is, yeah. Oh, yeah, okay, bye. Nice to meet you. And someone else narrates the same story and my reaction is completely opposite, like, what? Are you kidding? No way. Over dramatic, but you get the point. So this usually happens because each one of us is dominant by either of these three. So the person that was explaining a story to me, or bechara. So what might have happened is that person who was explaining might be visual and I, let's assume, was kinesthetic, and that is the reason we could not connect. On the other hand, the person who was narrating the story and I got super excited and super hyped up, that person might be auditory, I might be auditory, and that is the reason I could understand and got more engaged in what he was trying to say. He was using more of auditory references in his conversation. So that usually happens. What I'll do is I'll first explain what these three mean and then we will see how to get someone interested in talking to you. So first, our visual people. Visual people usually like movies, or they like something which is visually represented to them. They would prefer an audio visual more. They would like someone to stand in front of them and then speak, and then that is how they look at it, look at the person and then register something in their mind, or look at a blackboard, read what is written and then register it in their brain. They also like to write down things so they can have a glance and then remember the things that they've written down. They are the people who would like pie charts and diagrams and graphs, etc. and stuff. Then we have auditory learners. Auditory learners are the people who love podcasts. Unlike visual learners, they love listening to things. They can remember things much more easily if something is narrated to them or told to them, which falls on their ears, and that is how they process things and keep it in their brain. They would prefer this kind of experience more. They love music. Fun fact, auditory people do like to read out things when they're reading a book or anything. So if something's given to them, they would be like, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. They do like to read things out loud so they can listen to it while reading, and that is how they'll remember. Then we have kinesthetic people. Kinesthetic people do like to demonstrate things and perform actions and do some activities, and that is the thing that interests them and gets them going. So each one of us, while we were in kindergarten, were taught by kinesthetic learning style. So we were given Legos and colorful balls and blocks and etc. We had to perform activities and group activities and play, and that is how we learned sharing and caring and friendship and colors. So yeah, basically these are the people who are kinesthetic. They are super good in performing arts and sports. Also, kinesthetic people do like to write down or doodle things just for the sake of it. These are the people who are kinesthetic. So first we'll understand visual people. Visual people would be more like, चल कार निकालना, मस्त mountains, fog सब देख के आएंगे चल. On the second hand, auditory people would rather be like, ask me a question how I would like to spend a monsoon evening. Don't stare at the phone blank. So auditory people would usually be like, I am assuming that you've asked me the question. Monsoon evening, I would rather like to go out. Monsoon music बजाऊंगी background में and the raindrops falling on my rooftop. Kinesthetic people would just go out and get drenched. Up to super easy, you can identify which one you are or which one your family or friends belong to. Also, a few words that catch these people's attention when you want to speak to them are, the words that they catch are see, look, imagine for visual people, hear, listen, ask or tell for auditory people, feel, touch or catch on for kinesthetic people. So now you guys can go ahead and find out which of the learning style the person belongs to. Just tap onto it, speak in the same kind of language, and that is how you'll get someone interested in talking to you.